Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's Wednesday tomorrow, so I won't be there, and that's when you'll be watching this. So we are going to do the coastal winds and clouds gizmo today. I already have the gizmo pulled up and my Google Doc pulled up, and I've got split screen. So the first thing you're going to do, right here you got some prior knowledge questions that's asking about a hot air balloon and what happens when it's heated and what happens when the burner's turned off. Think about that, talk to each other. And then you've got this gizmo warm-up talking about if you walked along the ocean, and so if you've got a breeze coming in from the water, it's called a sea breeze. And if you've got a breeze coming in from the land, we've got a land breeze. And we're going to see how temperature variations and also the different heat capacity of water versus land changes that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click this play button, and you're going to pause it when the sailboat starts to move towards the shore. So play. Right now it's moving away from the shore. Away from the shore. Oh. And started moving. It's 11 a.m. So that's what I would write right here. And then I'm going to click play again and then pause when the sailboat starts moving out to sea again. So I clicked play. By the way, that first one was a sea breeze. We're in sea breeze right now. And when it starts moving out to sea again, we will have a land breeze. Okay, just started moving. I maybe wrote a little slow on that. So the breeze is named for where the wind is coming from. And then this question 3, you're going to click play again and observe the clouds. Just let us know what you notice. Now on to activity A. We're going to look at the temperature and wind. We're going to reset the gizmo. That's this button right here. And then we're also going to turn on the weather probe. That's this check mark right here. There we go. You're going to answer these questions about what you think will happen before you do anything else. So we've got a pocket of air over the land and a pocket of air over the ocean. Which one do you expect to heat up more during the day? Land or ocean, and why? And which one do you expect to cool down more at night? Land or ocean, and why? Those are your predictions. Don't Google it, just do your best. Then you're going to gather some data. See how the time here is 6 a.m.? We're going to take this weather probe, that's this red thing, and we're going to put it over the ocean. We want our altitude to be 0 feet. And then we're going to record the ocean temperature. It says it's 68 degrees. Then we're going to go over to the land here. We still want it 0, altitude of 0. And it says that our temperature, oh, hang on, is 60 degrees. So we would record that right here. And then is it a land breeze or a sea breeze? Well, which way is it going? We're gonna move to get the right wind speed. We're gonna move right to where the land meets the sea. So the wind is going out to the sea, which means it is a land breeze, right? And then the wind speed says it's 15.1 miles per hour. So we would put that right here. So this one would be land breeze. And then you keep going, press play and stop it at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and so on and so forth. As long as you get close, you're good. If you go too far, you don't have to start over. But pay attention. Then you're going to calculate the difference by finding the highest and lowest temperature for both. And hang on here, it's not showing up on the screen because it's a little bit slow. So to figure out how much of a temperature range there is in one day and in night. Or sorry, how much the ocean changes in one day and how much the land changes at night. And then you're going to compare, you're going to answer these questions. The extend your thinking is a level 4 question, so that's how you get a 4. If you skip it, you can still get a 3, but if you don't do it, you can't get a 4, and you have to do everything else to get a 3. Then you're going to move on to activity B, which is very similar, except that you're going to turn on this drifting balloon. And it's right here. And then you're going to click play and watch it over 48 hours and pause it when the balloon changes direction and describe what you see. And which time period does the balloon drift in a clockwise direction? Remember, that's how the clock goes. And counterclockwise would be the opposite. Then you've got some data with the weather probe again. And then this is talking about convection, which we've already learned about. A little more data gathering and some questions. And then once again, oh no, there isn't an extension. So you got to do all of these. So hopefully that answers all your questions. And have a wonderful day.